And what's up, guys? I'm here back with a brand new video, and today I'm gonna record Scratch. Okay, we can go into the characters. We need a ball. We have baseball, we have basketball, and we have a ball, a normal ball. I'm gonna choose a normal ball. We can put it right here. Now we need a paddle. We can find a paddle, oh, a green paddle. We can put it right here. Okay, now we can go in the blocks. We can go in events when green flag clicked. Now we need to go in motion, and we need this block point in direction. And we can put it in 45. Okay, now we need a block forever. Go. Now we can go in motion, and we need this block even edge bounce. And we need one more block in the motion. It's moves and steps. Okay, we can put it 15 steps. 15 steps. Okay, now we need that part is done. Now we need again events when green flag collects. We need go in control forever, and we need if then. Put it right here, and we need to go in motion, and we just block turn 15 degrees. But we can put it at 180. Here we go, 180 degrees. Now we can go in motion. We're in motion. Here we'll have block moves and steps. Oh, need to put right here. Okay, we can put it in 15. 15. Here we go. And we need to go in sensing. Here goes a touching mouse pointer. We can put it here, and we can put it on paddle. Okay, so the ball part is done. Now we can go on paddle, and on paddle we need these blocks. On event, when green flag clicked, and we need to go on control. We need this block forever, put it right here, and then we need to go in motion. We need this set X2, put it right here. And then we need a block that we need is in sensing, that is mouse X. Okay, we need to put it right here, and now let's see what we got. Okay, it's working. Okay, I hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe. Have a good day and goodbye.